Good morning, I'm Jerry Ford. Got a granola bar. Yeah, granola bar from Nature Valley. These are the crunchy version for those of you that don't like the moist, chewy, or soft type granola bars, you know. These are more like crunchy cookies or something. But this is the oats and honey crunchy version, like I said. 16 grams of whole grain, 190 calories. Ingredients, got whole grain oats, sugar, rice flour, honey, salt, brown sugar, syrup, baking soda, natural flavor. So there you go, for General Mills Sales Incorporated. I don't usually eat the crunchy ones, because my teeth aren't so great these days, and so I just kind of lean more towards softer type stuff than these. But I do like these, and I have eaten these before. It's just been a while. Same thing with these, like I always say, mid-morning to afternoon snack before lunch. Just tide you over till lunch. These do the trick too. There you go, you got kind of a, I mean, they're crunchier than a graham cracker, thicker than a graham cracker. You can see it compressed, you can see the oats in there. Very light shininess. There is a corn syrup in here. They're very crumbly, kind of messy, so you just kind of, if you're in a nice car or something, you want to just kind of be careful if you're eating them in the car. I'll sneeze. Man, sorry about that. I've been sanding today and got sheetrock dust on me and stuff. Okay. Getting a nice natural oat smell. Sweet, you know, I can smell that corn syrup a little bit in there. And the oatiness, there's a little bit of a sweet bread. Honey, a little bit of brown sugar. Smells good. These aren't as crunchy as what I remember. These aren't that bad. They break apart real easy. Almost melt in your mouth. If you don't like real sweet stuff in the morning, this would be good for you. It's not hugely sweet. Light to medium sweet. Just good enough to give you a nice, pleasing honey, brown sugar, corn syrup type taste, you know. Very oatiness. After you break it apart in your mouth, it's almost like brown sugar or something, just almost melting away. Very good. Very good. Okay. It's a very pleasing granola bar. But messy. Okay, I'll thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. You all have a good rest of your Friday. And we will see you all on the next one. Bye.